Hello student, 5th standard maths. Previous video we learn here condition of divisibility and prime and composite number. Prime and composite number. Now we learn here prime factorization. Prime factorization. Prime factorization means what? When a number is expressed a product of prime numbers, it is called a prime factorization. Product of prime numbers means you use here condition of divisibility and write there divisions, write there repeated division and build their factor tree, you call that prime factorization. Factor tree means here given one number, their sub numbers this type we learn या फिर this type, you call that prime factorization. Understand? You call this prime factorization. How to do the prime factorization? See here. How do we do? See. 48 given you number, 48 given you number and say write the factors, write the factor, yeah, factors tree, okay. 48 number given you. Now see the 48. This is a which condition divisibility we used here? First one, prime number which? 2. What is the condition of divisibility 2? Ones have 2, 4, 8, 6, 0. Yes, na? So 2. 48 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8, means 2 multiplied by 4, you got here 48, 2 24. Now 2 is a prime number, here no factors here is prime number have no factors. Prime number means what? A natural number. Prime number means what? A natural number, okay. A natural number and they have only two factor, one and that number itself, okay. And 48 is which number? Composite number. There is more than two factors, so 48 is a composite and 2 is a prime number. Now 2's factor which? 2 ones are 2 only 2 factors. This is your prime number. So you now factorization for the 24. 2 12. 12 to the 24. Now also you got here one prime number, one composite number. Composite numbers you do the factorization. 2 6 are 2 3 are. Now we got here last one 2 also prime number. This 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3. So 2 4 2 2 2 2 2 3 is your factor of 48. How to write? 48 is equal to 2, this one 2, next this one 2, next this one 2, next this one 2, next this one 2. Right. Understand? This is a prime factorization building a factor tree. Factor tree. This is a, you call this factor tree. Okay. And next one we used here repeated division method. Repeated division method. Okay. See, 48 right here. You do here 2 columns. Okay. Now, here also use the condition of divisibility 8 and first prime number which 2. This is possible. This is come in the 2's divisibility condition. Yes, na? So, right here 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Next one also same 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Next one also same 2 6s are, sorry 2 3s are 3 1s are. Means this you got the factors of 48. Factors of 48. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 3. See here 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48. You got here factors of 48. Understand? All of you understand now? Now see here 80 is also coming factors 80. This is coming in 2 condition, 2's condition, divisibility is 2 condition, yes na? So 2 4s are 8, 0, 2 2s are 0, 2 1s are, then 2 5s are. Now 5 is a prime number, so 5 1s are 5. Now 8 is factors 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 5. 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 2s are 40, 40 2s are 80. Understand how to come? All of you understand? This is a so easy. This one is a so easy. All of you understand? Okay. Now open your textbook, page number 92. Page number 92. See, exercise. Complete the factor tree writing the correct number in the boxes. In the boxes. See here. 30 is given. 2 1s are 2, 1 is remaining, 2 5s are, 15 2s are. Now 15, 15 which condition coming? 5 plus 1 6. What is the condition of 3? You plus there that number, separately plus there, and that one answer coming in that 3's table, that is the factor of that given number. 15. 3 5s are. Okay, now what is a factor? 1 2 3. You write only here prime number. Write only in the factors prime number. Okay. See here. 36. 36. 4. 4 9s are. What is the condition of 36? 4. What is the condition of 4? C. If last 2 digit number in 4 table, last 2 digit number in a 4 table, 36 is in 4 table, 4 9s are 36. So 4 nines are 2 twos are. Here we used a condition of 2 and 9 3 threes are. Okay, all of you understand? 36 2 2 3 3. Understand what is the factor of 36? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. All of you understand? Okay. Now question number 2. Write the first on your notebook question. Okay, write the first on your notebook. Page number 92. Page number 92. Question number 2. Write their question. Express each number as the product of its prime factors. Use repeated division method. Use repeated division method means you write in the standing line. Write in the standing line. Don't use this type. This is your factorization tree, factor tree, and you write in the standing line, that is your division method. 98. Right. This is a factor of 2 na. 2 fours are 8. 2 nines are 18. Next one. What is the seventh condition of 7? All of you beheaded. The last digits of number double there 81 and subtract the rest of the digit and process there, and the number is 7. या फिर repeated process for a larger number if it is a difference divisible by 7, but 49 is a 7 table. All of you know 7 sevens are 49, 7 ones are 7. What is a 98 factor? Write in your notebook. 98 is equal to 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. Understand? All of you understand now? Next one. B1. 112. 112. Write 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are. Now also 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are. Now also 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are. Now also 2. 2 7s are 14. 7 1s are 7. What is the factorization of 102? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. All of you understand? C1. 150. 150 divided by 2. 2 sevens are 14, 2 5s are 5, 5 ones are 5, 15, 5 3s are 3 ones are 3. Understand? 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3. All of you understand how to do? I solve A, B, C. D, E, F is your homework. D, E, F is your homework. Question number 3. Write in your notebook. Find the prime factorization of these numbers by building factor tree. By building factor tree. You write in your notebook. Question number 3 also write. Now first one 27. 27. 27. Ones have 7. This is not a factor of 2's. 7 plus 2 9. 9 is coming in 3 table. 3. 3 9's are. 9 also factorization. 3 3's are. So 27 factor of 3 3 3. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. B1 also 54. 54 to 27. 27's 3 9. 9's 3 3. What is a 54? 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Last numbers factor all right. Okay. Last numbers factor all are right. All of you understand now how to do? Now also see when I teach you. 72. 72 is how you do? This is a factor of 2. 2 36. 36 also factor of 2. 18. 18 also factor of 2. 9 also 3 3. Right there these all and these 1. Okay. Right there 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. All of you understand? All of you understand now how to do? How to do the factors? Now next one 6.4 common factors. Highest common factor. Highest common factor how to do? Given two numbers. Given there 2 3 numbers. First how do we do? How do we learn now? That type we do the factors. We do the factors, find the factors and then write in expand notation. In the expand you write there in expanded and which number is common there, how many times, that also you underline there and write there HCF. Okay, HCF in a multiplication and write there what is the answer. Okay. Now I teach you 6.4 HCF. HCF. First one example 105, 120 and 75 and 75. 105. First 105 common factor. This is a condition of divisibility 2 coming? No, 3 coming. 1 plus 5 6. 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Now 5. 5 7s are now 7 1s are. Okay. Next one, which number you got? 120. 120, first one 2. 2 6s are 12, 0s are. 2 3s are. Now 3. 3 5s are. 5 1s are. Now 75s. Here condition of 5, divisibility condition of 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 5s are 25. Sorry. Here 7 plus 5, which number coming? 7 plus 5? 12, na? First which prime number 5 or 3? 3 is not, so you first one take 3. 3 2 are 6, 3 5 are 15. Okay. Now 5. 5 5 are 25. 5 5 are 25. Now 5 1s are 5. Now we express here 105. This is your factors is completed. Okay, this is your factors completed. Now 105 factor which 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. 120 factor 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. And 75 factor 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. See, first have 3, second have 3, yeah, third have also 3. So here HCF write first one number you got 3. Next one, first one's 5, second have 5, third have 5. This also common. Commons means same as it is in given numbers. First one, second one, third one. Okay. 7. 7 is there? No. So this is a finish. What is the HCF of 105, 120 and 75? 15. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Okay. This is your, what you write here? Common factor. Common factors. Okay. And here write HCF of 105, 120 and 75. 75. Now, one more example we learn. One more example we learn. Okay. 140, 120 and 100. Now 140. 2 sevens are 14, 2 zeros are. Next one 2 threes are 6, 2 fives are 10. Next one 5 sevens are 7 ones are. Okay. Now factor of 140 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7. Next one 120. 2 6 are 12. Next one 2 3s are 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are. Now 3 5s are. Now 5 1s are. What is the factor of 120? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Now hundreds. 2 5s are 225. 5 1s are. Hundreds. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Now we want here common factor. Common factors. 2 is there, 1 2 2. 2 right. Then multiply by again 1 2. In 3 have, okay, this you take. Next one what? 5. 5 is there second? Yes. 5 is in there third? So 5. 7 is in there? No. Here factor is completed. First one's factor is finished, Rana. Okay. So HCF of 140, 120 and 100 is equal to 2 4s are 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. What is the common factor of 20? All of you understand? All of you understand now what is the HCF of 140, 120, 100 is equal to 20. Now open your textbook, page number 93. Page number 93, right there. 1-2 example only I solve. Write their question. Find the HCF by prime factorization method. 35 and 49. Now 35. 5 sevens are 35. 7 ones are 7. And 49s also. 7 sevens are 49. 7 ones are 7. Here 35's factor what? 5 multiplied by 7, and 49's factor what? 7 multiplied by 7. Here common factor which? Common factor only 7. So HCF of 35 and 49 is equal to 7, is equal to 7. Understand all of you? B1 100 and 225. Now also 100. 2 5s are 10. 225. And 225 is also 5. 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 5 9s are 45. 3 3s are 3 1s are. All of you understand now? Now hundreds factor 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. And here also 225 is equal to 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Here common factors which is common. 2 is here, but here is 2, no. Second also 2, not common. 5 is here, 5 is here. First one 5, second one 5 5. Next one remaining 3 3 is there in? No. So HCF of 100 and 225 is equal to 5 5s are 25. All of you understand how to do? Okay. Here I teach you F H A B. Now your homework C D E G is your homework. Next one. What is the next one? Here find the HCF the following. What do you infer? What do you there infer? See. First one given number. Write there first skill test, and write there question. Okay, first one 3 and 5. 3 is factor which? Factor of 3. Factors of 3. 3 multiplied by 1, and factor of 1. Factor of 5. 5 multiplied by 1 means HCF of 3 and 5 is equal to 1, because of here only common factor 1 1 na. This given number is a prime number, not a composite number, so their HCF of all there only 1 1. Okay. B1 also 7 and 13. Factor of 7, 7 multiplied by 1. Factor of 13, 13 multiplied by 1. Now HCF of 7 and 13 is equal to 1. Okay. Now CD is your homework. E1 7 and 21. Factor of 7 is equal to 7 multiplied by 1, and factor of 21, 3 sevens are 3 7. Okay, 3 sevens are multiplied by 1. Now, which is the common factor? 7 and 1. 7 ones are 7. HCF of 7 and 21s is equal to 7. Understand? F1 is also same. 4 and 16. Factor of 4 is equal to 4 ones are, and factor of 16 is equal to 4's factor is there na. 4 is a 2 2's are 4 multiplied by 1. 16 also 2 2's are 4 4 2's are 8 8 2's are 16 is multiplied by 1, which is a common factor. HCF of 4 and 16 is equal to 4. Means, see here, least number is there, HCF. Least number is there, HCF. Understand? Here also C, D, G, H is your homework. Okay? If two numbers do not have any common factor other than the 1, then their HCF is 1. Their HCF is 1. Means they are given prime number. Okay, their HCF is 1. And the HCF of two numbers, which is the 1 is a multiplier of other, is a smaller number. Means given number in one table, that time smaller number is their HCF. Okay, all of you understand now highest common factor how to do. Now what we learn here? Condition of divisibility. Okay, prime number, composite number, HCF, highest common factor. Okay, next video I teach you LCM by common division method. Today's homework, page number 92 and 93 completed. Thank you.